Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to fix the BthA2DP.sys blue screen error that has been frustrating a lot of Windows 10 and 11 users. This issue is usually linked to your Bluetooth drivers, and the fix is easier than you think. So stick with me, we're going to walk through it step by step. Now the BthA2DP.sys file is part of the BthA2DP driver system. It helps your computer handle audio over Bluetooth, like when you connect wireless headphones or speakers. If that driver gets corrupted or outdated, your system might crash with a blue screen. But don't worry, we thought you're going to fix it together. Alright, first step, let's update or reinstall your Bluetooth driver. Press the Windows key, type Device Manager, and hit Enter. Once it's open, scroll down to Bluetooth. Look for something like Intel Wireless Bluetooth Adapter or Realtek Bluetooth Adapter or even just generic Bluetooth radio. Right-click on it, then click Update Driver and choose Search Automatically for drivers. If Windows finds something, let it install. If it says the best drivers are already installed, no problem. We will take another approach. Right-click the same Bluetooth driver again, but this time choose Uninstall Device and click Uninstall, then restart your computer. When Windows boots back up, it will automatically reinstall the Bluetooth driver, which alone fixes the issue for most people, especially if the old driver was causing conflicts. Now let's be extra safe and check for optional driver updates. Press the Windows key again and type Windows Update. Click on Check for Updates, and when the page loads, scroll down and click Advanced Options. Then Optional Updates. If you see any Bluetooth or driver-related updates here, install them. Next, let's do a quick scan for corrupted system files, which helps if the crash wasn't just from Bluetooth, but from some system files being messed up too. Click Start, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator, then type sfc/scannow and hit Enter. This will scan your system and automatically fix any corrupted files. Let it finish completely before doing anything else. When that's done, restart your computer again. If your Bluetooth was the issue and your system files were fine, you should already notice smoother performance and, most importantly, no more blue screens. So still having trouble? Let's try disabling fast startup, which can sometimes reload problematic drivers too quickly, especially if you hibernate your device a lot. Type Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Go to Hardware and Sound, then Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do, then change settings that are currently unavailable, and uncheck Turn on Fast Startup, save changes, and reboot. Now for one more tip, make sure your Bluetooth audio devices like headphones or speakers are fully updated too using any firmware update tool or companion mobile app. Sometimes the crash happens because the device sends bad data that Windows can't handle. If none of these steps work, you might want to roll back a recent Windows update since some updates can introduce conflicts. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, click Update History, scroll down and choose Uninstall Updates. Look for a recently installed update and remove it, especially if the error started right after it was installed. Okay, let's recap. We updated the Bluetooth driver, reinstalled it, scanned for system errors, checked for updates, disabled fast startup, and looked at recent updates that covers nearly every possible fix for the BthA2DP.sys error. If this video helped you fix the blue screen or at least brought you one step closer, please hit that like button. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment with your system info and I will try to help out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.